Ready? Start. These appeals have been preferred by the informant appellant assailing the orders dated 7th October 2020 and 17th November 2020 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in criminal miscellaneous bail application numbers 29759 of 2020 and 39886 of 2021 respectively, whereby bail has been granted to 6 persons accused in Sardhana Police Station, crime case number 955 of 2018. Stop para. It is the case of the appellant that she is the mother of the deceased Yamin. Stop. She is stated to be an eyewitness to the attack on her sons, namely Yamin and Mobin, and her husband, Jamshed. Stop. The appellant herein is the person who lodged the first information report, being FIR number 955 or 2018 for offences under sections 147, 148, 452, 324, 307, 302, 405, 506 with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop para. In all, 11 accused were named in the FIR, being respondent number 1 in criminal appeal number 76 of 2022, namely Meherban, respondent number 125 in criminal appeal number 77 of 2022, namely Jumma, Hakmeen, Yasin, Arshad and Firoz, and 5 more persons, namely Bhura, Sahid, Yamin and Dev. Stop para. That FIR number 955 of 2018 dated 27th August 2018 is stated to have been filed by the appellant herein at around 21 hours in the night, stating that at around 18 hours of the same day the accused, armed with sword and knives, entered appellant's house with a common intention to attack and kill Yamin and Mobin, sons of the appellant, and Jamshed, appellant's husband. Stop. That on entering the house, they started hurling abuses and attacked the sons and husband of the appellant, attempting to kill them. Stop. The neighbors of the appellant came to their rescue. Stop. However, as a result of such assault, Yamin died and Mobin and Jamshed sustained serious injuries. Stop. The informant appellant has further stated that there was a pre-existing dispute between the deceased and Bhura, one among the accused, which was settled by the residents of their locality. Stop. However, the accused, in continuation of the said dispute, attacked the sons and the husband of the appellant and killed one of her sons, namely Yamin. Stop para. Appellant's son, Mobin, was medically examined on the date of the incident, and the medical report records that insides wounds were found on his hand, which could be caused by a sharp-edged object. Stop. The injury report of Jamshed described 3 injuries, that is, an insides wound on the scalp, abrasion and contusion on the back and arm. Stop. After conducting an investigation, police filed a charge sheet only against 3 accused, namely Sultan, Bhura, Elias, Sadab and Yamin. Stop. They were subsequently arrested by the police. Stop. The accused respondent in the instant appeals are the 8 other accused named in the FIR but were not charged seated. Stop para. The appellant filed an application under section 319 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, hereinafter referred to as CRPC for the sake of brevity for summoning the accused respondents herein who were not charge sheeted by the police. Stop. The accused respondents were summoned by the additional sessions judge by order dated 21st September 2019. Stop para. On the date of commencement of trial before the additional district and sessions judge Meerut, the accused Sultan Bhura, Elias Sadab and Yamin were presented before the court by the police. Stop. However, the accused respondents summoned under section 319 of the CRPC, failed to appear before the trial court. Stop. Therefore, the additional district and sessions judge by order dated 15th October 2019 issued non-bailable warrants against the respondents herein. Stop para. On the next date fixed for trial, the accused respondents against whom non-bailable warrants were issued, again failed to appear before the court, and it was reported by the police that the said accused were absconding and were not found even at their residences. Stop. The additional district and sessions judge by order dated 4th November 2019 issued a proclamation under section 82 of the CRPC against the accused respondents. Stop para. In the meantime, the accused respondents summoned by the Sessions Court preferred an application under section 482 of the CRPC before the High Court, praying for an order to quash the order dated 21st September 2019, whereby the respondents had been summoned to appear before the additional district and sessions judge Meerut. Stop para. By order dated 11th November 2019, the High Court dismissed the said application and granted 30 days time to the accused to surrender before the trial court. Stop. The accused respondents assailed the said order by preferring a special leave petition, being SLP number 10947 of 2019, before this court, which came to be dismissed by order dated 6th December 2019. Stop para. On 8th January 2020, the next date on which the sessions trial was presented, the accused respondents once again failed to appear, notwithstanding the direction by this court to surrender. Stop. Hence, the additional sessions judge, Meerut, by order dated 8th January 2020, directed that proceedings for attachment of property of the accused respondents be initiated under section 83 of the CRPC. Stop. The accused respondents were arrested by the police on 5th February 2020 and remained in judicial custody till they were enlarged on bail by the impugned orders of the High Court dated 7th October 2020 and 17th November 2020. Stop para. Accused respondent Meherban preferred a bail application before the High Court of the additional sessions judge, Meerut. Stop. The same came to be rejected by order dated 8th July 2020. Stop. Similarly, the bail applications preferred by accused respondents Jumma, Hakmeen, Yasin, Arsad and Firoz were also rejected by a separate order dated 8th July 2020. Having regard to the seriousness of the offences alleged against the respondent. Stop. Accused respondent Meherban preferred a bail application before the High Court, and the same was allowed by the impugned order dated 7th October 2020 with a direction that the accused be released on bail. Stop. Subsequently, the bail application preferred by the accused respondents Jumma, Hakmeen, Yasin, Arsad and Firoz, who was also allowed by the High Court by impugned order dated 17th November 2020 by relying on the order granting bail to co-accused Meherban. Stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant has preferred these appeals before this court.